Some banana stem hearts there. This plantain. Is that winter melon? Interestingly enough here, I think this is the elephant foot yam. I think it's going to be a next superfood in all the Ponzi magazines. Very good for weight loss apparently. So look at these little dried baby coconuts without the shell on. So there's some of the elephant foot yam. Pawpaw or chocho. Some nice green peas here, fresh. Okay. Some bindi. Hello. Okay. What is this? Ooh, yeah, I've not seen this before. Like a little bit like tomato, but like yeah, interesting. I don't think I've eaten it either. Some bean sprouts there, some little moolies. Chilies, so it's 70 a kilo, so it's literally 70p. You can, by the time you've done the exchange rate, it's a nice mango, Corella, baby Corella. Got a lot of these things in England. We're quite lucky with ingredients in England. How are they for soft drinks? Thumbs up. That's a nice local drink. And doesn't seem like they've got any objection to me filming, which is great. Sometimes when you ask permission, they tell you no. You just start filming. Usually it's okay. Sweet potatoes. What are these? Guava. Good prices here. These are the onions you want to be using in your curry. They're not just the red onions that we have in the UK. They're smaller, they're sweeter, they've got nice water content. Excellent for making curries, sauces. £1.40 for a bag, so you can tell the quality because they're not that cheap. So toiletries, and let's, ooh, spices. Let's have a look at the spices here. I tell you, they've got a lot of these in England. A lot of these. Everest, good brand. Wow, everything here. All different types of dals. Anything really interesting? Let's have a look here. They've got everything from cough syrup to idli mix. Brown rice. Is that quinoa? Ragi. Okay, I've seen ragi flour for different types of bread. Urid dal. That's 40p. So yeah, I pay about £1 or something for twice that in England. So I tell you what, even the prices in England. So millet flour, gluten-free, roasted, good for diabetes. Good selection of chilies, PVT, soya chunks. The aisles are pretty slim, but yeah, look at that. All little bags of all types of spicy spices. So L'Alquila, we've got that brand in the UK. Skid rice, aged. That's what you want, aged. That's the trick to getting nice separate grains. This is more local stuff. Some of it's pretty broken. Kilo, 85. Salted chilies there. Good for your banana leaf meals. Just put one on the side. Nice. And I'll show you something interesting. Is there any? Sometimes there's little weevils in some of the food. It was in Malaysia anyway, but I thought I saw something crawling there. Have a look. You've got all your incense down here. All your different gram snacks, lentils fried like Bombay mix. All your pickles. Oh, ITC MasterChef. ITC as a restaurant chain and hotel chain, a premier one as well, obviously MasterChef. So somebody's come up with a good business venture there to do that. So you've got Mother's Pickle. We can get a few varieties of that as well in the UK. Tamarind rice paste. Ginger paste. Always better to make your own. I've been using the frozen lately. Really, really convenient. Saves all that chopping and slicing and peeling and blending. I think that's about it. What have they got in the freezer? So different curds, yogurt, and all your biscuits. How much is a packet of biscuits here? Most of the prices are on the packets in India. This is 10 rupees, 10p for a little packet of biscuits. Okay. So over and out.